Hi guys, welcome back. So, as you can see, this room is in complete disarray. While I am planning and preparing to move into my own space in the future, my mom wanted me to have a comfortable space here at my family home. So, just keep watching to see how I transformed from this to this. Honey, can we please appreciate? Please. And no, I'm not going to act like I bought all of this myself. Okay, this is definitely my parents' doing. So thank you so much. Shout out to them. Just keep watching to see how this transformation came about. So here I'm just cleaning up my room, getting it straightened out just to prepare for the new carpeting and things that I was getting. My parents and I had decided on this a night before. So the next day, here we are picking out the carpet. And so I had to make sure I cleaned up and took everything out of the room, and that's what we're doing now. So this bed is actually a bunk bed. The other part of it was in the attic, so I had the bottom part that I was sleeping on. So here, of course, I got my trusty little sister helping me out and my dad, and we're just taking apart the bed. Now y'all, getting these dressers and all that out, honey, that was my workout for the day. So my dad did not want to be filmed taking apart the carpet, so just know that he did do the carpet himself. If you're like, whoa, how does your dad know how to do that? He knows how to do a lot of things. He's a general contractor, and yeah, he's just the jack of all trades, just like my mother. So here I am just vacuuming the new carpets, and y'all know how vacuums are. I had to sit and take that nasty stuff out of the roller at the bottom, so that's just what I had to do. And my beautiful mother is here helping me, and she's just patching up little holes in the walls made from tacks and things like that, just making sure that they look good. So then I'm here with my blackout curtains, and I'm just wiping everything down, wiping the windows and putting those up. We're actually just preparing to put them up. I didn't put them up yet because we're actually going to paint before this. So I made sure to lay down just a sheet while I was painting, and I went ahead and just painted the walls where they had little marks or little dings, just to make sure the walls were covered evenly and just looked really good and new. And I was also going over the white around my door and my closet because my little sister was in this room before me. She did some damage. I don't know what she did, but I'm just spraying down the doors and repainting those white. And so you guys can see my mom's just mixing the paint to make sure that she has the right color for the wall. And I'm just gonna start painting. So this is the next day, and the movers are supposed to be coming this day. So everything was literally out in my living room, and here I'm just kind of setting up my vanity. I did not glue down that top part because I just didn't want to. I felt like if I'm going to be moving it around, I don't want to have to, struggle to do all of that. So I'm just wiping it down. I'm gonna have the measurements to the board that I got down below, because I'm not gonna do a separate video on how I built this because it's very simple. I just got those two and I did a review on those, and then I just got the board from Home Depot. So that's it. So I wiped it down and I'm just wiping down my stuff and setting it up kind of how I envisioned it was going to be in the room. So later on in the video, you're going to see me kind of change some things around just for functionality purposes. But yeah, here I'm just continuing to wipe down and the movers came. Guys, so I know I look like a foot, but the guys brought my stuff. The moving men, they were so fine, so I offered them some water, but they came and brought my mirror. I'm so excited about this mirror, and they brought my bed, of course, so I'm super excited. So me and Hannah were in here just now trying to figure out like ways to put it, because I'm going to IKEA with my dad and Hannah, because the only one is in Charlotte, so the only one in North Carolina is in Charlotte. So we're gonna go to IKEA so I can get my dresser for my clothes, and then my room will be completely finished. I'll have all my things, except for, of course, like my bedding and stuff that's supposed to be coming on the 15th. So
are we doing an IKEA vlog?
Huh?
Are we doing an IKEA vlog?
Okay, I guess.
A little montage of like,
I guess. Now I'm just gonna put this mattress protector on Santa, and then yeah, we're gonna get Chick-fil-A. Hold on. So as I'm editing this, I see that I said that we went to Chick-fil-A, and this was before social media found out about Chick-fil-A donating money to Trump's re-election, as well as donating to anti-LGBTQ plus charities. So let's boycott there, and you can go on the BLM highlights on my Instagram page to see what other places we're boycotting. And remember to buy black and be on the way. So y'all, this IKEA, my word, when I tell you I can live in this IKEA, they have a restaurant and everything, which I don't know if you're familiar with IKEAs. I personally did not know they had a restaurant, but honey, I could spend all day in here. It was so big. It was a great experience. So here I am struggling by myself. I just didn't call anybody to help me, but I was just turning my bed around, and I had finished setting up the Malm dresser that I had just finished getting, and I have another video coming on me building that. But I'm here and I'm just setting everything the way that I want it to be. And yeah, guys, that is it. I really love this room. I feel like I got my dream mirror, so I'm super excited about that. But yes, this is going to be a great place for me to just record and have my own space for the time being. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay blessed and stay sweet. Mwah!